Hi, my name is Edison Andrés Rodríguez Rincón. I visit Rio de Janeiro, Brazil, of Cristo de Remer. It is built of concrete and stands on top of Corcao mountain. I am in Brazil, Rio de Janeiro. I am visiting Cristo de Remer and on vacation in Rio de Janeiro. In this photo I am in front of the Cristo de Remer, and this great view that there is from this place. I am very happy that I wait for a long time this trip. Il generate my admiration. It is perfection and is blessing for my people. I like it much to be in this city. It is very beautiful and its inhabitants are very cheerful. I wear a shirt, shorts and dark lace. Thank you.